When you find yourself without running water, the first step is to remain calm and assess your available resources. Water is essential for drinking, hygiene, and sanitation, so knowing how to handle a water shortage is crucial for survival. The general rule is to have at least 1 gallon of water per person per day. If you haven't stored bottled water, there are alternative ways to source it. Rainwater collection can be a lifesaver, and if you have a well, that's an excellent source too. It's important to have purification tools like water filters or tablets to ensure that the water you collect is safe to drink. Another often overlooked source of emergency water is your water heater or even ice in your freezer. You might also consider pools or ponds, but only for hygiene and not for drinking, as pool chemicals can be harmful. Next, it's time to think about conserving the water you have. Use it sparingly, prioritize drinking and cooking first. For hygiene, you can rely on sponge baths or wet wipes, and use hand sanitizer instead of water for cleaning your hands. Try to minimize your need for flushing the toilet by using plastic bags or bucket systems if necessary. Finally, consider basic hygiene practices like storing trash properly and avoiding contamination in the absence of water for cleaning. Your focus should be on staying hydrated and keeping your environment as clean as possible. By planning ahead and knowing your options, you can greatly increase your chances of staying safe and healthy without access to running water.